Are you ready to take your vlogging game to the next level? Choosing the right camera can make all the difference in creating captivating content that resonates with your audience. With a plethora of options available, finding the perfect vlogging camera tailored to your needs can be overwhelming. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best vlogging cameras on the market, highlighting their features, strengths, and unique selling points. Whether you're a beginner eager to share your passion or an experienced creator looking to upgrade your equipment, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and find the ideal camera for your vlogging journey. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, TopPicksNow.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Sony Alpha ZV-E10, our pick for best budget vlogging camera. Are you on the hunt for a budget-friendly camera to launch your vlogging journey? The Sony ZV-E10 from Sony's ZV series could be the perfect fit for you. While it doesn't include a viewfinder, the fully articulated screen makes it easy for you to monitor yourself as you record, allowing you to connect with your audience effortlessly. The camera's design features a comfortable low-profile hand grip, ideal for holding in a selfie position during those candid moments. While the ZV-E10 lacks built-in stabilization, opting for a lens with optical stabilization will enhance your handheld shots. You'll appreciate the reliable autofocus performance, especially with specialized modes like Product Showcase, which allows the camera to seamlessly shift focus from your face to objects you present, making it perfect for product reviews and beauty content, although the frame rate options max out at 4K 30 frames per second. With a slight crop, the ZV-E10 remains a strong contender in the realm of vlogging cameras. If you're just starting out and seeking a user-friendly option that prioritizes the needs of vloggers, this camera stands out as an excellent choice. With its vlogging-centric features, the Sony ZV-E10 can help you effectively engage with your audience and build your online presence. It's time to turn your creative vision into reality. Number 4. GoPro Hero 12 Black, our pick for best action vlogging camera. If you're looking to capture your adrenaline-fueled adventures, the GoPro Hero 12 Black is your go-to action vlogging camera. With the Max Lens Mod 2, you can expand your shots to a compelling 177-degree field of view, giving your videos a truly cinematic flair. This means you can encapsulate the vast beauty of your surroundings while highlighting your thrilling escapades. The Hero 12 Black boasts industry-leading battery life, allowing for up to 80 minutes of continuous recording at 4K 60 frames per second. Thanks to a newly redesigned power management system, you can keep shooting longer without the worry of running out of juice. While GPS support has been removed to enhance battery efficiency, this strategic choice ensures you can focus on capturing every moment without interruptions. A standout feature is the capability to record in a 16:9 aspect ratio without the need to physically rotate the camera. This flexibility not only makes framing your shots easier, but also simplifies post-production editing, streamlining your creative process. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just beginning your journey in content creation, the Hero 12 Black is a smart investment that promises to elevate your storytelling. Consider the Creator Edition, which comes with tailored accessories designed to amplify your creative vision. Prepare to document your exhilarating experiences in stunning detail and share your adventures with the world. The GoPro Hero 12 Black is here to help you make every moment unforgettable. Number 3. Sony ZV-1, our pick for best compact vlogging camera. If you're on the lookout for a compact camera that's perfect for vlogging on the go, the Sony ZV-1 is an excellent choice for you. Designed specifically with vloggers in mind, this camera is not only easy to use, but also fits comfortably in your hand, making it ideal for capturing spontaneous moments. The fully articulated screen is a game changer, allowing you to frame your shots effortlessly, while the built-in vlogging mic ensures your audio is just as clear as your visuals. When it comes to video quality, the ZV-1 doesn't disappoint. With 4K recording capabilities and a responsive autofocus system, you can effortlessly create stunning videos that resonate with your audience. While its 1-inch type sensor may not excel in low-light conditions, the overall video performance remains impressive. If you're considering upgrading to the Sony ZV-1 II, it's worth noting that, while it features a wider lens for enhanced perspectives, it lacks optical stabilization, which could affect the stability of your footage. Plus, it comes at a higher price point compared to the ZV-1, making the original a budget-friendly option without compromising quality. In summary, the Sony ZV-1 stands out as a fantastic camera for anyone serious about vlogging. Its portability and impressive features are sure to take your content creation to new heights, allowing you to share your adventures with your audience seamlessly. Number 2. Insta360 X3, our pick for best 360-degree vlogging camera. Are you in search of a versatile and durable camera that can elevate your content creation? Look no further than the Insta360 X3. With its impressive ability to record stunning 5.7K resolution videos, this camera immerses your audience in breathtaking HDR footage that captures every detail of your adventures. What sets the Insta360 X3 apart from traditional action cameras such as the GoPro is its distinctive design and functionality. It's waterproof up to 33 feet, ensuring you can document your experiences in various environments, rain or shine. The 2.3-inch touchscreen provides you with intuitive control over your settings, allowing you to switch modes and adjust parameters effortlessly. Imagine being able to shoot traditional video with a remarkable 170-degree field of view at up to 4K resolution, letting you capture every thrilling moment. One of the most innovative features is the ability to visually eliminate the optional selfie stick from your footage, providing a seamless look as if the camera is floating around you. With built-in image stabilization and horizon lock, you can create smooth, level content effortlessly. Whether you want to experiment with time lapses in 8K resolution, slow motion footage at 4K and 120 frames per second, or directional audio captured through its 4 built-in microphones, the Insta360 X3 has you covered. Designed with user-friendliness in mind, it also features voice control and simple data transfer options, making your filming experience enjoyable and stress-free. Get ready to take your storytelling to new heights. Number 1. DJI Osmo Pocket 3, our pick for best vlogging camera overall. Are you in search of a vlogging camera that seamlessly fits into your on-the-go lifestyle? The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 might just be what you need. This compact marvel combines the powerful features typically found in larger cameras while maintaining a lightweight and portable design, making it a perfect companion for your adventures. Equipped with a 1-inch sensor, the Osmo Pocket 3 delivers exceptional video quality that rivals cameras like the Sony ZV-1, providing you with stunning visuals, natural bokeh, and improved low-light performance. Whether you're filming solo or with friends, the advanced face tracking technology keeps you in focus, even as you move. And with the ability to shoot in 4K and a battery life of up to 2 hours, you can capture high-quality content without the constant worry of running out of power. While the Osmo Pocket 3 might not be the best choice for photography or underwater use, it excels in its primary function, enabling you to create dynamic YouTube or TikTok videos effortlessly. If you're a traveler or someone always on the move, this camera is designed to make your life easier while capturing your experiences in vibrant detail. Don't let bulky gear hold you back from sharing your creative vision. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is here to elevate your vlogging experience, helping you document every moment with accuracy and convenience. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe, and let us know in the comment which vlogging camera you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.